Hey guys, just wanted to hop on really quick and do a scent of the day. Today I'm highlighting uh, these three scents in front of you. So regular hygiene routine, and then my moisturizing for today is our Body Butter Harmony, which is lavender, honeysuckle, ylang ylang, amber, coconut, and mango. And then um, the I top that off with Victoria's Secret's Nectar Drip, and Nectar Drip is a floral musk, and it has autumn jasmine, praline musk, and citrus nectar. And then my perfume of the day, I have this small size of Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. I'm really enjoying it, so I'm pretty sure when I finish this one, I'm gonna get a larger one. So that's kind of where I am with that. And I really am just trying to test it out with a couple of things, and this is one of them. So the main accords, according to Fragrantica, for Good Girl by Carolina Herrera are sweet, white floral, warm spicy, vanilla, cacao, amber, tuberose, woody, almond, powdery. And Good Girl has a ton of notes. So the top notes are almond, coffee, bergamot, lemon. The middle notes are tuberose, jasmine sambac, orange blossom, orris, not sure what that is, Bulgarian rose. And then the base notes are tonka bean, cacao, vanilla, praline, sandalwood, musk, amber, cashmere wood, cinnamon, patchouli, and cedar. So Harmony I love, wear it all the time with all kinds of things. Victoria's Secret's Nectar Drip, again, love so much that I got a backup, because Victoria's Secret is known for letting stuff go and not bringing it back, unlike Bath and Body Works. So had to secure a backup for that one. And really my kind of testing one is Carolina Herrera's Good Girl. So far I'm liking it. This is kind of my favorite of things that I've tried just really quickly. So gonna actually wear this today, see how I'm liking it. You may see Good Girl in a favorites, and if it gets to that point where it's a favorite, I definitely will go ahead and buy a bigger one. So thanks for watching. Check out our other scents of the days. We have DIY on here, layering combos, other favorites that I have that I love with different perfumes. So as always, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. The link to where you can purchase our body butter is always in the description box below. And if there's a perfume that you want me to try, let me know. If I don't have it, I can get a sample. And if I do have it, then I'll test it out and tell you kind of how I'm liking it. So that's it for today. Thanks guys. See you next time.